Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to resize a video in CapCut. Whether you're making content for YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, or just need to adjust your footage to fit a particular screen, by the end of this video, you'll know how to quickly and confidently change your video's aspect ratio and make your footage fit perfectly. No weird cropping or black bars. Let's jump right in. First things first, once you've loaded your video into CapCut, take a look at the upper right corner of your workspace. You'll see a Properties panel with a drop-down menu labeled Ratio, or sometimes it says Original, just above the preview window. This drop-down controls the aspect ratio of your project. Think of aspect ratio as the shape of the digital canvas you're editing on. For instance, 16:9 is perfect for widescreen YouTube videos, 9:16 works for vertical content like TikTok or Instagram stories, and 1:1 is the classic square, great for Instagram posts. Go ahead and click on the drop-down. A list of common ratios will appear, making it easy to match your video to its intended platform. Let's say you're switching from 16:09 to 9:16 for a vertical video. Choose the option that fits your goal. The preview window will instantly update, showing you exactly how your footage looks in the new frame. If your video was originally horizontal and you pick a vertical ratio, you might notice that things look a bit squished or some parts of the video are outside the boundaries. Don't worry, CapCut gives you tools to handle this. Here's where the magic happens. In that same Properties panel, look for the Video section and open up Basic. You'll see options labeled Fit or Fill. These decide how your video sits in the new aspect ratio. So what's the difference? Choosing Fit tells CapCut to shrink the video just enough so the entirety fits inside the new canvas. That might leave black bars, empty space, on the sides or above and below depending on the shape. This is great if you want to make sure nothing important gets cropped out, like a face or some on-screen text. On the other hand, picking Fill makes CapCut zoom in and expand your video to entirely cover that frame. This eliminates any black bars but might crop the edges of your video. Sometimes that's exactly what you want, especially if you need a full, immersive look for a scroll-stopping TikTok clip. Take a moment to toggle between Fit and Fill. Watch how your video changes and decide what works best for your story. Remember, if something looks off or you notice someone's head gets cropped out, you can always adjust the video positioning in the preview window by clicking and dragging. That's one of the handy, forgiving parts of CapCut. Nothing's final until you hit export. If this feels a bit tricky at first, don't worry. A lot of pros try a few aspect ratios and settings before finding what looks right for their project. Just give yourself a minute to experiment. And if you're ever unsure, try using Fit first to see everything, then switch to Fill if you want that full-frame edge-to-edge effect. CapCut makes it super easy to compare options without losing your work or starting over. So that's it. With these steps, you can resize any video in CapCut to fit any platform or purpose. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comments if you have any questions or if there's another CapCut feature you'd like to learn more about. And don't forget to subscribe so you never miss a video. We've got lots more editing tips coming your way soon. Thanks for watching and happy editing.